Welcome to Lesson 2 of MySci Unit 15, Observing Weather Patterns. In Lesson 2, students will answer the question, what is temperature? They will investigate how thermometers work and use them to collect temperature data. They figure out that thermometers are a tool used to show changes in temperature and that temperature is an important part of weather data. In the Engage portion of the lesson, students will discuss what tool meteorologists use to measure temperature. In the Explore portion of this lesson, students will investigate thermometers with a partner. Students may notice that there are two sets of numbers on the thermometer representing degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. There is a red ball at the bottom and a red line in a glass tube. In the Explain portion of this lesson, students will watch videos about reading an analog thermometer and the history of the thermometer. They will then practice identifying different temperatures on their own thermometer. Students should recognize that the liquid in the thermometer expands and contracts based on temperature changes. These temperature changes are measured in degrees. In the Elaborate portion of this lesson, students will collect data using thermometers. Students will use a thermometer to measure the temperature of warm water in a cup. They will also use a thermometer to determine when the water has reached room temperature, which is roughly 70 degrees Fahrenheit. For further investigation, students can add cool water or ice to further decrease the temperature. In the Evaluate portion of this lesson, students will complete a formative assessment. Students will observe pictorial models of thermometers and record the temperatures. By the end of this lesson, students will have identified that a thermometer measures temperature and can be used for collecting weather data.